Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about projection in machine learning. So imagine you have a 3D data point containing height, weight, and edge. Now you want to convert this 3D data point to a lower dimension, let's say 2D. Okay. So you want to convert this 3D data to a lower dimension 2D, but keeping the meaning same. But keeping the meaning same. Okay. So that's projection. Right. So in the left side, you can see in that image, a 3D data is converted to 2D. Just a simple example. Okay. So numerically, you can think of it like a vector containing 1, 2, 3. Then after projection, the dimension of the vector reduces. Like the vector containing 1, 2, 3 converted to 0.8 and 1.4. So that's projection. Okay. So in machine learning, large models produces big features. Okay. So when we try to integrate large models with smaller models, a like some issues occurs because large models has big features, but smaller model cannot handle these big figures. So we need to somehow compress these big features or convert this big feature into a small feature. Okay. So in machine learning, it is done through projection. Okay. So through projection, the big feature space is converted to a smaller feature space and then integrated or deployed in the lower model or smaller model. Okay. So how it is really done? Okay, so here is an example given in the figure. The high dimensional feature is converted to a compact feature through projection. Okay, so it is basically done through matrix multiplication. Okay. So what we really do is we multiply the original or old matrix. Sorry, we multiply the original or old vector with a matrix. Okay, and then we get the reducted dimensional vector, like the vector with dimension reduction. Okay. So what really is this matrix is? So this matrix can be different things, but if I explain it through a neural network, so in terms of neural network, this matrix can be the weight of the neural network. Okay. So this matrix can be weight of the neural network. This so this is a simple example. This weight is multiplied with the vector space with a large vector space, then it is converted to a smaller vector space. Okay. So this neural network, the job of this neural network is to reduct the vector space. Okay. So it is a simple example. So yeah, as you can see, projection is really useful while we do model compression. Okay, model compression. So that's why you see it everywhere in machine learning.